How to set up a Yahoo email account on your iPhone. This tutorial will show you how to set up a Yahoo email account on your iPhone. First, locate and press the settings icon. It may be on a different screen or in a different location than shown here. Scroll down, then select Mail, Contacts, Calendars. Select Add Account. Then choose Yahoo. Enter the name, email address, and email password of the Yahoo email account you're adding. A description will automatically appear, but you can change it if you like. When finished, press Next. Press Save. Success! The Yahoo email account has been set up on the iPhone, and you can see it here listed under Accounts. Let's return to the home screen by pressing the Home button on the iPhone. To check your email, press the Mail icon here. Note, the icon may be in a different location on your iPhone. If you have multiple email accounts set up in your phone, they'll all be listed here. Select the Yahoo account we just set up, and any emails in your inbox will be displayed here. Click an email header to see the email. That's it! You now know how to set up a Yahoo email account on your iPhone.